Hello guys, how you doing? This is Newark Graphic Design, and we're gonna put some letters on this window. Let's go. Let's go on over to Photoshop and show you how I'm gonna do it. Now we're here in Photoshop, and I have already created all of the letters, and then I rasterized the letters. I'm using impact font, and I also kept a backup letter at the end just in case I needed to type again. Okay, I went ahead and I'm just gonna leave that deselected. Now, when you go here to automate, when you go to export, you can actually go down here and export your layers to files. So I want to print these independently. Okay, and I've already have my destination where I saved my Photoshop document. I'm gonna change the name to let's see, cloud. I'll just put it that. All right, and let me get a new folder here going on. Let's just call this Cloud 2. All right, now I can name it what I want. So I'm gonna name it Cloud Letters. All right, and we're only going to export the visible layers, okay? Only exporting the visible layers, meaning all of these layers right here are going to be selected to export as a file, a PNG file, PNG 24 file. But this backup layer is not, because it's not visible, okay? And we'll keep transparency on, and we're gonna go ahead and run that. Now watch this. So it's basically gonna cycle through all of your layers and put them in order to export. It'll take a little bit, maybe like a minute, depending on how many layers you have. So this is gonna say Cloud Architect Staffing. I was gonna put of NC, but I'd rather just leave it because I only have a certain amount of windows over here. So this is gonna be CLOUD. I'm gonna leave this window and this window open. All right, actually, no, it's gonna be CLOUD, and I'm gonna have ARCHICE, hold on now, ARCHITECT, architect, and then STAFFING. Now there's gonna be an extra space here because I couldn't, it's not a odd word, it's an even word. So I'm trying to figure out what I want to put at the end. I might just put of NC in one box, or I might put a exclamation point, or I might put nothing. But yeah, that's what it's gonna be, Cloud Architect Staffing. I might put the of NC at the end, who knows. Now at the top, we're gonna have 3 windows here open, and I'm gonna put the phone number in there. Okay, I already have that printed out over here. Let's see. I already have that printed out over here. And I was going to use all transparency sheets. That way I wouldn't have to cut it all out. But I'm bored. I'm going to cut them all out. Okay. And they're on the address labels, the full address labels from Staples. You can get it for like, I think like 25 bucks. Depending on how many you want. So they have the 10 pack, they have the 25 pack, and they have the 100 pack. And I believe they have the 50 pack. I got the 100 pack, and it was well worth it. I still have a lot of sheets left. And you want to have very good toner. Okay, so I'm running the DCP L250 L2550 DW. Okay, from Brother. And I get the high yield packs. Let me show you what I'm talking about in a second. You're like, what's a high yield pack? Excuse me. A high yield pack looks like this. So it comes in a bag, and you can purchase them. You can purchase them online. I'll have a link in the description as well. So I like to get the high yield pack. It gives you like 3,000 pages with 15% coverage. Obviously, this is not 15% coverage. This is more like 50% coverage or 60% coverage. And when it says coverage, it means if the page is entirely black, that would be 100% coverage. Okay, 15% coverage would be this amount right here, less than 25% of black. All right, so just note, you're not getting 3,000 pages of whatever you want to print on the page. You're getting that amount times how much at how much coverage you're getting, percentage of coverage. Remember that, okay? It always states that at the bottom, right next to how many pages you get yield per toner cartridge. And I'll have those links in the description below for toner cartridges, as well as for this printer right here, this beautiful printer. I got this a while ago, and it has been taking care of me, okay? I can print, I can scan, and I can copy, you know? So let's go back over here to the drawing board. And it is complete. All right. So let's look at it. Let's open that up. And as you can see, we have documents that are 2,550 pixels wide, 3,300 pixels high, and they are labeled cloud letters 0009, cloud letter 0000, cloud letter 00021. So right here, there are 22 of them, seeing as though this is 0, this is 1, and that's 21. So that should be 22 items. Yes, 22 items. All right. And all we would do is right click on it, hit print. Yeah, select your printer, paper size, quality. I like to keep it at 1200 dpi, but we made it at 300 dpi, so we'll leave it there. Plain paper, full page photo, fit picture to frame. We want to keep this picture fit to frame, because if you take it out, it may not fit. But anyway, we'll keep it fit to frame. You know what? I'm not going to fit it to frame because it's stretching it. And I want it just the way it is. Because if you stretch it a little bit more, you'll get pixelation. We don't want pixelation at all. All right? We made it at 300 dpi. We're going to keep it there. And we are going to hit the options because we want to make sure that we haven't gone over or see, like right here, multiple two by two pages. This would have printed out in 4 pages, and I don't want that. I mean, it'd be nice to have it super stupid big, but we don't need it 4 by 4 right now. Okay. And we'll put it back to normal. So now it's back to 1 page. And what else? What did I change last time? That was it, right? Resolution 300 dpi, plain paper, manual settings. Oh, I checked this off and I made sure that the contrast was very, very high. Because if it was regular, it looked like that. I wanted to make sure the blacks were black. Bow. Okay? And that's it. Using the printer's halftone and improve thin line, I left that like that. So we're gonna hit OK. And we're gonna hit OK. And then we're gonna print this. Now when I print this, it's gonna print this one. And I'm gonna put it on the sticky back. The sticky back white shipping labels. Okay. And we're gonna cut them out. I should use the pre-cut machine and not do this manually, but I'm bored. So we're gonna go ahead and hit print. But before we hit print, let's put our labels in. Let's put our labels in. So we have our labels here. It shows you exactly how to put the labels in. Okay. Top feed printers get face up, and bottom feed printers get face down. I have a bottom feed printer, so let me show you. This is my bottom feed printer. So I would put it face down with the label facing down and the words on the back facing up. So like this. See the words? Stick it in there, make sure it's down. Close it up. Let's see the magic. No magic, let's just see. Here we go. Click print. Tis printing. Let us get the trash off of top. And make sure it work. It work. Receiving data. What's going on here? Hey, did it work? It worked! Now, let us print all. Be back. All right, so we're going to select all. Let's go like that. And we're going to deselect this one by hitting Control. Come on, using one hand here. There we go. Now, all we have to do is right click, print, and everything should be the same. Oh, that wasn't the same. Unclick dead. All right, what else? Why does it say C when we didn't select C? Oh, we did select C, haha. Right click there, right there, okay, all right. I'm goofy, here we go. What else? Let's make sure, we always wanna make sure printer properties are the same. Normal, yep, that's the same. Go to menu settings, that's the same. 64, that's the same. All right, make sure it's portrait. You always wanna double check because that fit picture to frame was selected. You saw that, right? It's the printer, letter size, 300 dpi, plain paper. Let's move. Is it gonna come out like this or come out like, yeah, it's fine. All right, here we go. I was looking at regular paper versus label paper. Oh, we gotta put our paper in. We only put one sheet. We have to put all of these in. So we need 20 more sheets. All right, here we go. We have loaded our sheets, and we loaded them in. Make sure that the staples is facing up. Not staples, but you know the words. Okay. 'Tis in. And print. Premiendo. We are printing. T, S, T. Doesn't spell anything. F, F, I, N, G, L, O, U, D, A, R, C, H, I, T, E, I always mess up. C, T, okie dokie. It's all there. And we are moving through this. Zoom, 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 zoom. Zoom. I wonder if I should put it on the window or I should put it on the wall. Which one? On the window or the wall? All right. We're done. Okay, guys. Let's grab all of this out. Let's bring it over. Time to get busy. I have to cut all of these out. I'm gonna use my, where is it? Exacto knife, Exacto knife. Hey. Oh, don't play with blades. Okay, so this Exacto knife has a different type of tip on it. I have the entire pack. And let's cut the light on. Okay, so we have different tips here. That one, this one, that one, that one, and that one. Oh, they have numbers. This is a number 3. Can you see it? Can you see me? Can you see me? That's number 3. This is a number 1. You have a number 7 over here, number 4, number 12, and this is a number 11. All right. Now we're going to use this number 11. I like the number 11 best. Need a carving board. 2 seconds. All right, so I have a piece of wood. It's the bottom side to my cabinet up there. So the top piece, pulled it off. Yeah, we have some arts and crafts clothes on today. Here we go. Now we need to see. And I'm gonna put this somewhere where it can see and I can be hands-free. 2 seconds. Oh, and by the way, guys, we got our package. We got a package. Okay, but yeah, this package is actually our I love Uline. Get you a Uline account. You dig? Now,